Wanda's washing machine, written by Anna McLean, illustrated by Jen McCafferty. Wanda's washing machine. Wanda lives with her mom, Wendy. Wanda's mom, Wendy. Water, the washing machine, lives in the kitchen. Water, the washing machine. This is a good thing because Wanda is a very messy eater. On Wednesday, she spilled watercress soup and watermelon juice down the front of her woolly white pullover. "This is a job for water," said Wanda's mom, and she put the washing on. "Eat dirt!" shouted Wanda. And that's just what water did. Rumble tumble, rumble tumble, rumble tumble. "Wonderful!" said Wanda's mom, Wendy. "Wow!" said Wanda. "Way to go, water!" At Charlotte's party, Wanda spilled chocolate sauce, cherry ripple, and cheesy dip on her checked shirt. "Another little job for water," said Wendy. "Eat dirt!" shouted Wanda. Rumble tumble, rumble tumble, rumble tumble. And that's just what water did. "Wonderful!" said Wanda's mom, Wendy. "Wow!" said Wanda. "Way to go, water!" At Pippa's picnic, Wanda spilled peppers and pickles from the pizza, some peppermint pieces, and splashes of pineapple juice all over her prettiest pink polka dot party dress. "Another little job for water," said Wendy. "Eat dirt!" shouted Wanda. Rumble tumble, rumble tumble, rumble tumble. And that's just what water did. "Wonderful!" said Wanda's mom, Wendy. "Wow!" said Wanda. "Way to go, water!" "Oh no! Wanda has been really messy again. Look at all those dirty clothes. This is a job for water, and this time you can help." Wanda and the water's washing instructions. Take off Wanda's dirty clothes. Put them inside water. Make sure the bubbles don't escape. Water needs all the help he can get. Can you help water rumble and tumble the clothes around? Say the magic words. "Eat dirt!" Take out the nice clean clothes. Put them on Wanda. Way to go! The end.